That simple device outside your home isn't just for billing, it's a silent guardian for your property. But when it sends a warning, ignoring it could cost you an average of $139.54 in water damage repairs. The most destructive leaks are the ones you can't see, happening right now behind your walls or floors. And it's practically a certainty. A staggering 98% of basements will experience some form of water damage. In the next few minutes, we'll show you how that spinning meter is your first line of defense and how to stop a disaster. First, understand the scale. Nationwide, household leaks waste over 1 trillion gallons of water annually. At your house, this could mean 10,000 gallons wasted per year. That's enough water for 270 loads of laundry. And it's a common problem. 1 in 10 homes has a leak, wasting 90 gallons or more every single day. With trillions of gallons being wasted, how do you find a leak that's silent, hidden, and constant? You look for one specific sign. This is your water meter. Its only job is to measure water passing from the supply line into your property. If it's all off, nothing should be moving. Therefore, if this little dial is spinning when all your faucets and appliances are off, that is the clearest proof that water is flowing somewhere. Imagine a pipe leaking under your foundation. You see nothing and hear nothing. But the meter sees it all spinning second by second. This seems straightforward, but there is a complication. What if the meter spins, but you are certain there's no leak? Can the meter actually lie? Before we answer that, let's find the usual suspects. Often the culprit is silent. A faulty toilet flapper can waste hundreds of gallons a day. That minor dripping faucet? Just one drip per second adds up to 3,000 gallons a year, enough water for more than 180 showers. Leaks also hide in irrigation systems, water heaters, and under sinks. The list of potential problems is long, but your meter catches all of them. So how do you prove you have a leak and start hunting it down? You don't need any special tools, just your eyes and a little patience. Here's your first action. The meter test. First, be certain every water-using appliance is off. Dishwasher, sprinklers, everything. Then, take a clear photo of your water meter. Do not use any water for 2 hours straight. Then come back and check the meter. If the reading has changed even slightly, you have a leak. It's a guarantee. To check the most common offender, use the dye test. Put a few drops of food coloring in the toilet tank and don't flush. Wait 15 minutes. Color in the bowl means a leak. Another pro tip, check your winter water bills. A family of 4 using over 12,000 gallons in a winter month likely has a serious leak since outdoor watering is off. Now, back to our question. Can the meter lie? Rarely, yes. Air in the pipes or major pressure change can cause a momentary flutter, but it will be erratic. So don't be fooled by that. A brief flicker is probably nothing. A steady, unending rotation is a definite cry for help from your house. Why is acting on this so urgent? Because that steady flow is actively destroying your property, weakening wood and crumbling drywall. And where there's persistent moisture, there is mold. It can begin growing in just 24 hours, presenting health risks and demanding expensive remediation. Remember the 1,000 gallons of wasted water? This is what it becomes: structural damage, mold, and the reason for a $139.54 insurance claim. The potential damage is terrifying, but the solution is simple. You have the power to prevent this entire chain reaction from starting. First, everyone in your home must know where the main water shutoff is and how to use it. It's the emergency brake that can stop a catastrophe. For proactive defense, consider installing smart leak detectors. These small devices can alert your phone at the first sign of moisture, preventing extensive damage. If you've done the meter test and have a leak but can't find it, call a professional. They use acoustic sensors to find leaks without destroying your walls. The reward for this vigilance isn't just avoiding disaster. Fixing these leaks can immediately save you approximately 10% on your monthly water bills. It all starts with that spinning dial. It's a simple signal for a complex problem, but now you have a straightforward plan to take control. So tonight, go look at your meter. Make sure everything is off and watch it for 1 full minute. Is it moving? Is it telling you its secret? Don't let a small spin turn into a big bill and a broken home. Listening to your water meter is about preserving your peace of mind. Stay informed and keep your home safe.